Let's solve a classic math, Olympiad-style system of equations problem from Germany. Our challenge is to find two numbers whose sum is 20 and whose product is 44. Here are the equations. The first equation is x plus y equals 20. The second equation is x times y equals 44. First, let's express y in terms of x using the first equation. We can solve for y to get y equals 20 minus x. Now substitute y equals 20 minus x into the second equation. That means x times, open parentheses, 20 minus x, close parentheses, equals 44. Expand the expression to get a quadratic equation. That is, 20x minus x squared equals 44. Bring all terms to one side. Let's rearrange so we have the standard quadratic form. That is, negative x squared plus 20x minus 44 equals 0. Or multiply through by negative 1. And get x squared minus 20x plus 44 equals 0. Now, let's solve this quadratic equation for x. We'll use the quadratic formula. Recall, x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all over 2a. In this case, a is 1, b is negative 20, and c is 44. Let's compute inside the square root. 20 squared is 400. 4 times 1 times 44 is 176. 400 minus 176 is 224. So our solutions become x equals 20 plus or minus the square root of 224 all over 2. The square root of 224 can be simplified. 224 is 16 times 14, so the square root of 16 is 4. That gives us 4 root 14. Let's simplify by dividing both numbers by 2. That gives x equals 10 plus or minus 2 root 14. Now recall that y equals 20 minus x. So y will be 10 minus 2 root 14 or 10 plus 2 root 14, depending on which value you take for x. So our solution to the system is x equals 10 plus or minus 2 root 14, and y equals 10 minus or plus 2 root 14. These are the two numbers whose sum is 20 and whose product is 44. Thanks for learning how to solve this classic Olympiad system of equations.